All right, so here's the plan. It's very simple. We're gonna raid this carrier truck right here. We could have a Maybach on top. We have a Touring in the back. We have an EQE. I mean, we could drop that off at someone else's place. Same with the XM.
Yeah, we can get rid of that.
Yeah.
God, what a monstrosity of a f***ing grill that is.
Yeah, dude. Yeah. It had him gagging. What's going on? Okay, so we are in fact looking to move down here to Phoenix, Arizona area. And I know there are gonna be some people that are skeptical. Either maybe the diehard Seattle fans that have known me up there, or just people that may not understand why would I wanna move to this desert. Well, this video I'm gonna show you guys that this place truly has some automotive potential, and its car scene here is a lot crazier than you would think. I mean, I would say it's definitely as good as Seattle's, and today we might even find out that it's even better. We are on our way right now to Concourse in the Hills, which is a yearly event that takes place usually in February, I believe. They bring out the big guns here, and Phoenix has a lot of surprises that I would never expect that this area is capable of. But it is, and I'm gonna show you guys that today in this video. Right behind me is my Honda S2000, which I consider to be a rare find just because it has extremely low miles. It was only two-person owned prior, and it was never in an accident. So it is mint. But how do I know it's mint? Well, I simply used Car Vertical. Car Vertical is a vehicle service that provides vehicle checks in more than 25 different countries. They use data found in national registries, car insurance companies, car manufacturers to basically showcase if a car has previously been in an accident, if it was previously stolen, or if it had any odometer rollback. This right here looks like a pretty nice F80, just about as nice as the S2000. But if you look up its Car Vertical, you will find that it is not very nice. The car was found with severe front end damage, and the Car Vertical check ran through 900 plus different sources in 35 different countries. So naturally, I want you guys to go out and find the mintiest of all cars, and you guys can do that by clicking the link in the description and using my discount code JACK right here for 10% off your vehicle check from Car Vertical. And you guys can fact check the cars that you're looking at to make sure they are in fact mint, they're good, they're not clapped out, because at the end of the day, I want everybody to be buying responsibly. So just in the grocery parking lot, we got a 32 GTST, very nice red, and a Laguna Seca Blue E46 M3 on BBS LMs. More cars rolling through. Brand new Artura. I love this color. That car spec'd out like that has single-handedly changed my opinion on the Artura for positive right now.
So I have a pretty funny find over here. We have a Lucid on air.
It's not a Lucid Air, it's a Lucid Air squared. It's got like this galaxy glitter, midnight purple.
That's crazy.
It's wild. These remind me of like Rolls-Royce style stance boy wheels. But yeah, air on air. I like it. This has got to be the first show I've ever been to with an EV section. Specifically. Hey man, I'm just saying, they're kind of letting like the regular traffic in too. You guys just gotta trust the process. It's gonna get good. This event is gonna get good, trust me. So the cool thing about this show is that all of the cars are organized by manufacturer. So we have found the Porsche section, which includes a lovely Carrera GT, several 992s, classics. This is one of my favorite Z06 specs. You got the carbon wheels. I don't know the name of this color, but is one of my top favorites, with red interior to go with the red brake calipers. Now, when I say we got every brand, you a big fan of Citroens? Definitely these things tip over easily. Gotta be careful on the high winds if you're out in one.
What are these wheel specs, man? Like
very thin, bicycle size.
13 by 2 or something?
Yeah, exactly.
Dude, oh, have you seen the steering wheel on this thing? It's a one spoke.
He ain't wrong. One spoke. Wonder how stable that is. We found the other British category. This isn't British, this is other British.
Yeah, my bad.
I don't know if there's British 1 and this is British 2, but British 2 has a Noble M400. You never see those. I found British. Here we go. Not gonna lie, British is a little less poppin' than other British. Is this full carbon?
It is.
Holy crap. 765 LT, full exposed carbon fiber, cyan toothpaste accents all the way around, even on the interior. Senna seats in there as well. They're getting the photos. This thing's sick. So we found Italian starting out with a pink Evo STO, another Evo Spider. Nice red Countach right here with the white interior. I believe that is signed by Valentino Balboni right on the dash. Dude, this still looks brand new. 80s car, never aged. What's up?
How are you?
Doing good. How are you?
Our SD out today.
Oh, no way. Yeah.
Film it?
I sure can. Have you guys driven it around like in peak like summer heat temperatures
Yes.
out here?
And it overheated and all the coolant boiled out.
I
It
was literally
like
about to ask that. I was like, not to be rude, but I know it's an Aventador. It's a V12 Lamborghini. I want to have mine down here in the peak of summer, and I'm scared.
No, don't do it. Not recommended.
Yeah, that's crazy. Even on an SV too. I guess it's just any V12 Lamborghini. It's just expected.
Oh yeah, it just gets so hot.
Yeah.
And even if it didn't boil over, the check engine light would always come on. But,
Gotcha.
You know, whatever. Just
Oh yeah, that's just
later,
V12
but
Lamborghini things. Yeah.
But oh yeah, it boiled. It was like a teapot, and it just
Really?
boiled.
Yeah.
Yeah.
My height. Always louder than you think. Double 4GT power out here, yellow and blue. Comment below which one you guys would take. How many 4GTs does this guy have besides this one?
I think he has 3 total,
Wow.
including this one. Yeah.
Wow, especially with where they've gone in the market, it's a lot of good investments in 4GT. Cars are beginning to leave, and so is this McLaren Speedtail right on a tow truck out here. I guess it's too special to drive out on its own, but there is nothing like the experience of being in the center position in this car like a McLaren F1 with your 2 side screens. The diversity of this event. You have a Veloster N, and then you have one of the first Lamborghinis they ever made. Justin, real quick, guess what car this is?
5. It's a 5, yeah.
A 5 what?
550, 560.
No, it's a Lambo.
That's not a Ferrari.
No.
No way.
Yeah, that's actually one of the first Lamborghinis.
I thought the Miro was the first one.
That's the first supercar. That's the first mid-engined supercar. But I'm failing on my Lamborghini homework right now because I don't know if the 350 GT.
Yeah.
Dude, and is that the first?
Yes. So
I think that was a 350
the
GT.
first ever
from that.
Lamborghini was the 350 GTV, a 2-seater coupe with a V12.
Dude, that's so cool.
Apparently later there was a 400 GT as well.
I love how Ferruccio back in the day is just like, just slap a V12 in their first car. Who cares? These things just driving through the sidewalk. Oh, he's going the wrong way. He's literally going up the sidewalk. Ooh, that is beautiful. I always love me some white on white. I wouldn't mind road tripping out home in this. Like after coming here, it feels like the scale of the car scene in Arizona is like, you know, almost similar to Seattle. Like Seattle has a lot of money too. You got Microsoft, you got Amazon, you have all this stuff. So there's clearly a lot of hidden gems up there, just like how there's a lot of retired and, you know, good money down here. But the difference is that there's honestly way more priority here of hosting car related events. You have this event and then you have pavilions, which has been going on for like 35 years. You got Lamborghinis revving in the background. But yeah, like pavilions, like the nightly meets, that's been happening for like 35 years, they said. Like, they like put in work to keep these things going on. Whereas like Seattle has like Redmond Town Center Exotics, which is one thing. And it's nowhere near as big as either of these two events here in Arizona. It's all that's there. I feel like they just don't value like trying to put on crazy like car events. Cause like the community that does those events like in Seattle, they'll usually get shut down when like people try and host their own little meets and stuff like that. So I think that's like my biggest comparison of this area is that there's a lot more priority in cars. Alright, we just arrived here. We got the Exorcist and we are at Demi Bagby's crib, the Playhouse. Do you have a name for it?
I don't even know.
It's got toys littered everywhere.
I want to see you drive the K-truck, dude.
This is an athlete's garage. You have basketball hoop, punching bags, the court floors. You have a chair full of energy drinks. Then they got more toys over here. That's her drift toy. This is her S2000, to which we built our S2000s together at Hoonigan. And then she's getting the K-truck out right now. On the Vegas though. I love this NOS plushie. So yeah, the engine's back here.
Yeah, look at it, dude.
Oh my gosh, yeah, there's the headers and everything. What in
Is
the?
it what?
It's like a Porsche.
Yeah, that's a Porsche, right?
Yeah. I love how they got the world's longest couch. Yeah. What's the max amount of people you've had on this one couch?
You know what? If we all sat there, max right now.
Oh, this isn't enough. We could definitely break a better record. One person sitting on the other side, you have to yell at each other just to...
Well, the reason why we're putting the projector there.
Oh.
Chill and watch movies.
And we have the like beanbags and stuff.
Yeah, Super Bowl parties go crazy. You could line up everybody on one couch. So you like your neighbors too? Just absolute neighbor destroyers out here. What the hell?
It's so loud.
Jesus Christ!
Every time he's like, babe, I'm starting to record.
That was so ridiculous. In the garage, just absolute no care given.
So we're building right now our metal guy. We're building stairs that go up to a mezzanine. That's gonna zip line across over to the pool.
A zip line?
We gotta figure out though, because the zip line's gonna go from the top of there across. So we gotta figure out
those hammock beds,
how you,
where
like,
it's like it
drop.
looks like a mat.
Yeah,
Because your
how you
drop zone-
dismount.
your drop zone is gonna be towards there. So like, we're trying to figure out the safety aspect, because if you don't know where you're dropping.
You don't want to install a safety liability
I
in
know.
the backyard.
And then we're building a gym around the other side, So the gym equipment there will move to there. Yeah, that's our Zoom, so the backdrop, they see that.
Is that painted? Like,
Yeah. A lot of it's spray painted.
This is
Isn't
ridiculous.
it nuts if you look too? Like he even got like Arizona and the stars and the license plate.
Yeah.
That back left wheel took him 2 days.
2 days just on the wheel?
Yeah, oh, with the rim and everything? Yeah.
I've always been super skeptical about these things because they're a little goofy.
We're gonna show you how to drive it and then you'll come back.
Alright.
Jump in. She started?
Yeah.
Got my camera.
Damn, breaking the one wheel loose. Do I need a seatbelt?
I have one.
Oh my god. Oh. What the?
Isn't that awesome? So you can cut the wheel hard, like this, hammer it.
Hey!
that was insane. We were going 100. We went 105.
Oh my.
Gotta get to 120, dude.
Without a windshield? That's gotta be ridiculous.
It's like this.
How much does that thing cost?
One you can afford.
Smoke them.
Yo, how's the weather down there? Oh my! Dang, with the 450. Oh, hey! Welcome back. The two most diverse vehicles in size. It's all right. You can park wherever. It's a motorcycle. Yeah.
We took it to a big event.
Yeah.
We pulled up, we said, where's the motorcycle parking? The cop was like, Jesus. Because it is a motorcycle.
Yeah.
And motorcycle parking is always designated up at the front.
Yeah.
So like, I was like,
I'm just using what's legally, you know, accepted. That's gotta be the loudest K truck I've ever witnessed. Oh, the dog's running?
Jack, can we do a drag race right here?
Yeah. These guys have to have the chillest neighbors, or I guess neighbor at least. I mean, luckily this neighborhood is, the houses are so huge that there's not that many of them and they're very spread out. But they're just gonna line up and do a drag race in the neighborhood with the world's loudest K truck. E-bike, K truck, dog. On go. 3, 2, 1, go! The dog is reeling them in! Dude, that K-truck is so funny. If I was in a house right now and I just heard that, I would legitimately think it's just some freaking Honda Civic or something that's going by, not a freaking pickup. So how'd the dog do?
Dude, she was, so I think she could have beat us all.
Honestly.
But she was hesitant. She was more protective. She was like pacing us.
Yeah.
Because when it's just me and her, she'll run next to this thing. If I'm going 25, she's just trotting at 25. It's crazy.
Yeah.
So think if you think you could ever outrun a dog, no way.
No.
A dog, I looked it up, can go 30 to 35 miles an hour.
That's
But when I was running
insane.
like 25 on here, she was just.
Yeah, you were chugging along,
dude.
going and all that, and the dog could just
Yeah.
casually walk past you if
It
you
was
wanted.
making me nervous because I didn't want her to cut me off. But sometimes we go out there, so when people are like, "Oh, I'll run that dog," no way.
Hey, this is what I like to see in Arizona, baby. The off-road Huracan, brand new white Storado, just chilling out here. I'll let him go. Yeah, you could gladly overtake with your roof racks. It's weird, like, dude, it's a Huracan and he's about the same height as my Camaro staring at it because things freaking lifted. Also, G8 or Mustang, G80. Arizona has the automobiles just randomly out in the freeway.
So we said that the card went with your birthday gift, and it did because we got you a chicken tender
What?
blanket.
Wait, is this a blanket or a towel?
It's a blanket. It's like a soaked blanket.
What?
And it has ketchup and everything. Look at that.
Is this just like, is this branded or is this like not related whatsoever?
No,
It's just like default chicken
It's just
tenders.
chicken tenders.
So I know if this is like a cane special.
No.
Dude, it's soft.
Yeah.
Bro, this is so cool.
We thought about how you're always cold, and we know you love chicken tenders.
There was more than
so
just
it's
the
like-
There's ketchup, and he's always like,
There
"Can
was
I get?"
actually so much thought that went into this. If
the
you know me, you know I love my chicken tenders.
And your ketchup.
Repping it. And my ketchup. Well, our time here in Arizona for this trip has come to an end. Time to go back to the rainy Washington skies, but hopefully we will be back here soon to stay for a lot longer. They have the Mustang with the cop lights on over there, all fitted. I mean, he's actually blocking the street with the other officers, so I'm guessing it's, you know, it's a 5.0 too. Just don't see that every day. Oh yeah, I see a very fainted police badge on the door.